bob un ohonyn nhw. Diolch yn fawr iawn i'r beirniad.
Mae yna Pencampwriaeth arall gyda ni yn y gogledd, y fedal air ar gyfer y stoc ifanc gyda'r adran. A mae yna benderfyniad wedi wneud.
Thorny Newside Precious Little Model sydd wedi chael ei gyda Declan Davies ar ran John Gray sydd wedi magu hi hefyd gan Thorny Side The Kingpin allan o Thorny Side Peggy Sioe.
A mae'n hyfryd i gael y cyfle i weld y goreuon yn erbyn ei gilydd hefyd. Ti'n cael datgoffa o'r safon sydd wedi bod yn ystod y bore?
Ie, habos. Achos ym mhob dosbarth mae'n cwmpot yn bach erbyn y diwedd, ond wedyn pan chi'n gweld yn enillwyr da'ch gilydd, mae'n cael eich atgoffa wedyn pa mor gryf wedi bod ar draws y bwrdd wedyn.
Many congratulations, and I believe that it is Craig Beacon handling the quality of the day.
A gair bach rhwng y beirniad a'r enillydd.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr yn wir.
Teulu Merrick's Brynithon sydd wedi cael y gil wobr.
Goes to the winner of the 3-year-old filly class.
Chydig bach o ymlacio.
The Bats family with Abergavenny Rosie O'Neill. A'r un llongyfarchion i chitha hefyd am dderbyn y gil wobr. Ac ar hynny, dyna ni waith ein beirniad, Mr Ryan Foster wedi dod i ben am y dydd. Diolch yn fawr iddo am ei waith, a mi fydd o'n dychwelyd i feirniadu dosbarthiadau hyn.
Declan Davies, many congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi taking the Youngstock Section D Championship here for John Gray. Is John here with you today?
I believe so. He's in the grandstand somewhere. I don't know where. I have been trying to look for him, but no, he deserves it, to be fair. He's bred some lovely animals, and the Youngstock and Reserve Youngstock was a good pair, and I thought he deserved it, so I'll come on with him.
Excellent. And how much work goes into producing these winners? I mean, you're no stranger to winning here in the Royal Welsh.
Well, it can never come too often, but it's a 24/7. There's no time off with it. You know, I was here yesterday. I didn't finish until 11 o'clock last night trying to get them ready as best we could. We had 8 today, so yeah, we have done plenty to it.
And I've had your little boy behind me commentating on the whole time and seeing the next generation through. Is your wish that he then carries on with it?
Hopefully, if he wants to do it, he'll be good enough. If he doesn't, well, then he wouldn't be good enough. But I think the way he's showing, I believe he's going to be good enough.
Well, I think he's got an excellent mentor. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I ti, Dex. Mwynhau'r wythnos.
Diolch.
To make their grand entrance into the main ring. So I now pass over to Alan.